Yeah, most. You know what? You're lying.
No, I watched.
Arthur, go ahead.
My most forbidden love?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't even know. Yeah. The thing is, like, even now, am I in love?
Just say fan so we can move on. Just say it.
Say it.
Just say fan.
Fan.
It's obvious.
Forbidden.
Perfect. No, it's perfect. Okay, yeah. Thank you.
You can still, you can,
Okay.
take off
you have the choice.
swimsuit.
Really?
You have the choice of removing.
Okay.
I don't think your live stream can see.
Yeah, maybe not inside the swimsuit.
Banned.
Yeah.
You're gonna get banned.
I will get banned.
Can I know your name?
Yeah. For me,
Just introduce your name.
to Rob.
Yeah.
Rob.
Do you want Rob to be written on the, or do you want something else to be written?
Whatever's fine. To Rob is fine.
Rob, okay.
Yeah.
Rob.
Best streamer
Yeah.
ever.
Thank you.
To best streamer ever.
Best streamer. That's me.
Forgot Rob.
Oh yeah.
Best
R.O.B.
R.O.B. I don't know.
Nice.
Thank you. So happy. Goodness.
Okay.
I can. I'll
Take it slide.
yes, boss.
Yeah, it's fun.
Okay, where's that magnesium thing?
You could use just the magnesium thing and the knife. That'd be pretty cool. Oh, dude. Your technique looks fantastic, but your hands looking scuffed.
Fucking blow on those embers. It's getting hot. I'll try magnesium.
You got the sweetest log fire in the view?
Hey, no.
A little bit of extra height on top of it?
Bro, don't you
Got the
dare
sweetest-
catch on fire, cut. Oh, dude. Calm down, Zach. Fucking hell, cunt. He's a maniac. Bro, he's jumping the fucking button. We got like a fucking forest fire here, man. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. The good news is, chat, it's impossible for it to be a forest fire because we're on a... Holy shit! Wait, is anything down the ground there?
Have enough tomatoes.
You contaminated the food by touching your nose.
Aww.
It's okay, chat, that she touched her nose.
I'm so happy.
You just closed your eyes. You're like, what's happening?
Yeah, I was ready. I was like, lips, nose, head, whatever. I'm here for it. And let me know when you
yeah,
want
it's because
more.
you ate all the tomatoes.
There's like still a hole. Okay, so then we're like, okay, we should probably go to the ER, you know, like it's definitely gonna scar or like look ugly or something. You stop. Yeah, I was okay, and when I was drinking milk from the spicy chip, I literally like the milk was like dripping down my chin, and I was worried that it was getting into the wound. So I was like, okay, because of that, it probably would be a good idea.
Welcome. Have a seat. You can sit there.
Hi.
Oh my God. Hello.
Hello, everyone. Oh my god.
Do me a favor.
Hi. Yeah, what do I do?
Tap this.
Huh?
Tap the mic in front of you. It's good.
It's good?
It's
Okay.
good. It's good. How you doing?
I don't know.
You're doing okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay now.
Okay, good.
Yep,
Good. Welcome to the stream.
Thank you.
Guys, it's Catchy. She's here.
I'm here.
Yes, she's here.
Yep.
How you feeling?
I'm alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am not on magic juice. So,
And your mic is fixed.
my mic is fixed now. You know, after it took 3 days, guys. It took 3 days, but my mic is fixed. Yeah.
Perfect. Glad to have you.
Choices were made, lessons were learned, and now I am here. Yup, because of them, basically.
Wait.
Let's be real.
Okay. All right.
all right.
Amazing. Yeah.
Yep,
There we go.
Yep.
Not
Thank you.
Not
okay,
bad.
But there's one thing I do want to say.
Uh-oh.
After what happened, like, no, it's just like 2 sentences. After what happened, like, it was obviously a lot, and if it wasn't for these guys, like, I don't know what I would have done. So, like, thank you, actual gladiators.
No problem. We're here to help.
That was better than I thought.
Yep,
I was scared.
Yep, that's it.
A lot of people wanted me to just abandon you to the abyss, but I was like, maybe we can do a little bit of course correction here, and maybe she can make something of herself. So that was kind of my thought process with the whole thing. Is it TOS friendly?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, it's your chat friendly. I think your chat's gonna love it.
All right, give it to him.
Based on the DMs I've been getting.
From who?
I showed you a few.
Oh.
Okay. One summer, when I was 19, just for like a month, I theoretically in game sold feed pics online.
This summer? I'm kidding.
Oh.
Like, okay, I'm gonna count down and look away if you're either eating or you have an upset stomach or yeah, you just don't like looking at this stuff. But he took this super HD photo of it. Ew, it's so gross. Okay, look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ew! Like, why are there holes in my chin?
If you need to go to the bathroom, you can go to the one over there. There's also one over there.
Why this one? Are there cameras in that one, or? I'm just wondering. Cause you say there are like 50 cameras all over?
Whose bathroom is that?
It is my bathroom.
Okay then.
It is my bathroom. There's nothing to worry about.
All the more I should be suspicious.
Dude, there's no cameras in any bathrooms. Clara came over and clarified that.
No, I watched part of that stream. She says she waves when she's on the toilet.
That's so weird. Wait a minute. Does this person go into chats, type this, gets attention because they said girl, get followers? She's live? What? Are you kidding me?
Окей? Или, стоит что-то доработать? Чисто. Здорово. Hi, what's up? I'm not English.
You're live spamming this in other people's channels? This is crazy.
It's an interesting experience. Sorry. No. I'm sad on trying my favorite stream.
Okay.
I'm used to the pain.
What? Why would you be used to this?
Next question.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
I will tell you later. Just remind me.
It has to do with candle wax, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. You know what? I'll be honest. I've really never had a crush on anyone besides Milena.
Aww.
But the answer is probably... I really did like Maya, but not like that. Maya was great to me. I felt like I was like hanging out with my mom. We even know what she smells like.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. And I'll never forget it.
Okay.
What? Because smell leaves imprints on the memory. It's one of the most... Dude, come on. You guys know this. You guys know this, chat. You guys know this. For some reason, this house smells like baby oil, doesn't it? Who is your one true love? That's a good question. You want the real honest answer? Yes. Yes. Oh. It's a girl named Melena.
I don't usually eat spicy food. Like, I feel it hurts, but like...
No, it's bad. It's on my tongue.
So you're taking it like a champ. He's dying, and I'm in the middle.
Yeah, basically. All right. Should we answer the actual question?
Yes, you can answer it. Look at Arthur's
Can I be honest?
Yeah.
What?
Are you tapping out?
I always thought that people are overreacting.
What's your first time?
Yes.
It's my first time too.
Exhilarating. Oh, okay. The ice really helps though.
Yeah. I don't know why I'm okay. And you were worried I put too much.
You had more than I did.
Really?
Yes. And
I barely feel it.
And by girls, I mean women, of course, that are over the age of 25. Yeah, I mean, there are plenty of attractive Korean women over the age of 25 who have cute feet. I wasn't joking.